Good morning, children. How are you all? You know something? By this week, we have finished our first set of jolly phonics letters. That is S, A, T, I, P, N. We have finished 6 letters. How many? 6 letters. So, we are going to see which are those letters and we will be revising whatever we have learned until this week. Okay. So, what is the first letter that I told you? It was S. How was it? Is it not? We had written it like this. Okay, and we had come across so many words that had the sound S in it, like salt, soup, snake, submarine, sand, socks. Yes, and then we saw words where it was finishing with S, as in bus. Okay, like that so many words we had come across. What else was there? Like saying grass, thanks, books. Okay, there are so many words like this. I am sure that you would have been at home looking out for more words with the sound S in it. There were sounds in between also. That also I told you. Like for example, in names also sometimes you will come across like Jessica. In Jessica's name, the S is coming in between. Jessica. You hear that? Yes. So sometimes S comes in between. Okay. So now what are the words that we had seen in our picture cards? Let's take a closer look at it. Snake. What else can you see? Socks. Then then you can see sausage. Then you can see soap. Can you see soap? Then star. Then you see submarine. Submarine, the ship that goes under the water. Then there's a sad boy sitting there. Sad. Sun. Can see the sun? It's right here. Then the saw, which we use for cutting. Saw. Okay? So this is for you. So I am very sure that you have been working on your with your Santa. We go like this, as in chips. You like chips, right? Yes. You don't have to press too much. Very lightly. See, press. Should not press. Just very lightly. Okay, when you say thanks, can you hear S in it? Yes, very good. And there are so many children by the name S in their first name. Like for example, Sarvesh, Sanjay. Okay, they all have their Sai. They have their names beginning with S itself. Okay, so just watch out for more words with the sound S. Let's go to the next one. The next sound is A. What is this? A. A as in ant. Ant. A. How do you trace it? Start from this point. Okay, this point. You just start from here. Standing line. A. A. I'll trace it and show it to you. See how it's written. If I'm going to start from here, A. Standing line. A. If you don't want the tail also, it is okay. Don't pull it too much. Okay? Remember the song, right? Ah, ah, ants on my arm, ah, ah, ants on my arm, ah, ah, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Okay? So now look at the words which were there in the picture. Yes. Arrow. Okay. Can you see an apple? Apple. Good. What else can you see? Ant. Good. Can you see an astronaut? Very good. Then alligator. Then animals. Yes, there is a group of animals here. Animals. Animals. Axe. Axe which we use for cutting the wood. Axe. Then we have somebody very angry looking here. Angry. Angry. Then anchor. What is there in the ship? I had told you when you want to stop a ship, we will put the anchor out. Okay? Okay. Now, air, where all have you heard? Tell me, where all have you heard the word air? We have a friend by name Anne. Remember, it was a birthday. We wished her last week. Anne. Okay, then where all have you heard? Tell me. Apricots? Okay, apricots. Then, any other word? Have you come across? I'm not talking about A. I'm talking about the sound A. You have to be very careful now. People near and all will tell you A. No, A is not the sound. Be very clear. The sound of A is A. So you have to look for words which has the sound A. For example, action. Okay? And then we have words like air. Okay? Or when I say bread and jam. And then airport, airplane. Okay, in these words and all, you very clearly you can hear the sound a. Sometimes you will hear it in between also, like for example pack. When I say pack your bag, pack. Can you hear it? Pack. Bring your bag, bag. You hear it in between? Yes. Okay. So children, look for more words in a. You will definitely hear the sounds more in between. Okay. So many words you will find it in between. You will hear the sound a. Next we will go to the next letter. The next letter is T. When I watch my tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Okay, now how do I trace T? Start from here. T. T. Okay, I will show you how it is written on the board. Okay, where have you seen this like this? Where have you seen it? Have you seen it in an umbrella? Yes. Okay. What were the picture cards the words that we had seen in the picture cards? Come, take a look. Taxi, yes, a yellow taxi. Then turtle, good. Tomato, are you saying? Please say. Tongue, What is the thing from which bread is coming out? Toaster. Okay. What is this picture? Table. Good. Tiger. And what is this? Tent. Very good. And that which is between the two tents? That's a tunnel. Okay? Okay. Then we have told that there has to be so many words that you have listened to with the sound t in it. For example, today, today, tomorrow. Okay? Tap, take, 10. Okay? This is when you hear in the beginning. Sometimes you will hear it in the last. For example, last. Can you hear it? Cut, put, tent, first. Do you hear it? First. When I say that? Very good. You will also find the sound in people's name also. Did you check out in whose name it is coming? Anybody in our group who's having the sound t in their name? I'm not talking about the. I'm talking about t. Anybody by that name? Nobody? Okay. Okay. I'll leave it for you to think about it. But you may find out somebody's name which will have a t in between or in the last or in the end. Okay? Okay. Shall we go to the next word? Next letter. Sorry. The next letter is E. Say the sound. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled ink over the desk. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Okay, Inky got wet by spilling ink all over the desk. Okay, E. Writing E is very easy. How is it? E. That's all. Over. E. Even pre-born children can try this because they have done standing line. E. That's all. Okay. Now what all words that we come across in our, before that let's see how we can write it. Okay. E. Standing line and a dot. I think this was the easiest letter of all, right? Very easy to write. E. E. Okay. So where have you come across words with the sound E? As in India. The country that we live, India. இல்லையா நம்ம எந்த ஊரில் இருக்கோம் இந்தியா இல்லையா இந்தியா அப்போ இந்தியான்னு சொல்லும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஈ கேட்குது இல்லையா எஸ் ஸோ இந்தியா நம்மளுடைய நாடு and very soon this Saturday we are going to have the Independence Day of India. What is it? Independence Day. Independence Day ன்னு சொல்லும்போது கூட you are hearing the sound E. எஸ் நம்ம நாட்டுக்கு சுதந்திரம் கிடைச்ச நாள் அது சரியா இ இந்தியாவோட சுதந்திர நாள் Independence Day. Okay, now let's look at the words in our picture card. E. Okay, what all do you see? What do you call this? பூச்சிங்களுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க E. Insects. Very good. And what is this? You all like this? No. Okay, what is that? Injection. Okay. அப்புறம் invitation. நம்ம கல்யாணத்துக்கு போகும்போதோ or when we go for birthday parties and all, they give you one invitation card. Invitation. அப்புறம் that's the ink. நம்ம இங்கி பெட் இருந்தாங்க இல்லையா அவங்க ஸ்பில் பண்ணாங்க பாசி they spilled ink from the ink pot. Then infant. Infant is a baby. Little baby, very very little baby is called infant. Then what do you see? Yes, I can hear igloo. Very good. Igloo is an ice house. It's made up of ice. Then Made up of ice, not ice cream, okay? Ice. Then we have iguana. Okay, iguana. Then injury. Oh, look at him. He's got an injury on his leg. Okay, injury. Okay. Now let's go to the words that we hear the sound E. எதெல்லாம் இருக்கு? There's a fruit called kiwi. Can you hear it? Kiwi. I'm talking about the last sounds now. Kiwi. Roti. Idli. When I say idli, you can hear E in the beginning and in the end. Notice idli. Idli. Correct? Idli. Chapati. Okay. Then what else did we see? Puri. Taxi. Chilli. You can hear the sound E at the end. Okay. And yes, night one person will come with a bell. Kini 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 bell adichittu varuva. Yaar adu? Kulfi. He comes mostly in the night, right? Kulfi. Okay. Then let's say some words which has E in the beginning. We already saw so many words right now. Illaya? India. Idella paathutom. Igloo, iguana. Anything else? Indigo. It's a color. It's a blue color. Indigo. Some of you would have heard of indigo flight also. Okay, that's the name of the flight, but it means a color. It's a blue. Okay. Then in. Please come in. You get it? Okay. Then sometimes you'll find E in between also, I told you. Like for example, let's take the name of Kail. When I say Kail, our friend's name Kail, can you hear E in it? Kail. Kail, you have to go and see your name. Unga perukulla E irukanu poi paakringla? Kail. E. Yes, it will be there. Okay, va? Okay. So that is for E. We'll now go to the next letter. Next letter is P. P. Can you hear it? P. 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 Okay. How do you trace P? This is also quite easy. Standing line, go up and then circle it. Please come up. Start from here. Come up. P. Shall we write and see? Standing line. Come up. P. You see that? Okay. P. Okay. What were all the words that we had seen in our picture card? Pant, parrot, pear, purse, pan, a frying pan. Yes, you can see the penguin also. Then, can you see a pencil? Pencil? Yes. And can you see the green peas? Peas. And that's our pirate. The pirate who's in the ship. Pathirukeenga pirates in the ship. Okay. Where else have we come across the sound P? Pickles. Urga. Pickle, then pot, then pepper. When I say pepper, can you hear it? Very clearly you can hear it. You can hear in the beginning and in between. Pepper. Then in the end also you can start telling me. Cup. Then P. I'm not talking B. P. P. Cup. What is that? Clap. Then girls will always wear it on their head. What is that? Clip. clip, then lip, tip, then top, sip. If you want to sip from your tumbler or from a cup, sip. Then zip, ship. Okay, so many words which has the sound p in the end. Okay, and we saw words which have p in the beginning. There will be words definitely with p in between also. Like for example, happy. When I say happy, can you hear p in between? Happy. Okay, or your nappy. Napkin, napkin. There's a p in between. Okay, good. Very good, well identified. Let's go to the next letter. Now the last letter, n. N. What's the song for it? Hear the aeroplanes, hear the aeroplanes, hear the aeroplanes, making lots of noise. Okay, let's trace it. You start from here with a standing line. Just start from here. Can you see that? Make a hum. Okay, shall we write it? Let's see. How did I say? Standing line and a hum. So you come with a standing line and then go back into a hum. See, you notice this gap here? Okay. Okay, as in napkin. Now let's look at the words in your picture card. Okay. Napkin. Can you see the napkin? See? Okay. Then nurse. Nuts. Nuts like cashew nut, hazelnut, groundnut, coconut also. Nut. Then nose. What is this? Nail. Ani. Seriya? This is also a nail. Your fingernail also is a nail. See? Can you see my fingernail? Okay. What is this? Necklace. Very good. And this one? Neck. The nest. Good. And the last one? Night. Okay. Then now look at some words which has the beginning sound. Okay. I told you, let's think about some words which begin with the sound as in number, then nice. No. Can you hear it? No. Then next. What are we going to do next? Then nobody. Okay. Then never. When I say never, can you hear Okay, then noise. Just now when I was taking the class, could you hear the noise of that cooker? Noise. Okay, then any other? Nyan. Very good. Nyan. Then let's think about the last sound where you hear n in the last as in fun. 10. Then bun. What else is there? Pen. Dustbin. Then queen. Queen. You know who's a queen, right? Queen. Down. Okay. And sometimes you will hear in between also as in tent. See, when I say tent, you hear t in the end. But can you hear in between tent. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല? Tent. Or when I say arnav, arnav, can you hear n? Arnav. Or when I say zain, see that in the names also you will find the sound very very clearly. Shariya? Okay children, so that is all the letters that we have learned until today. We have learned a, t, I, p, n. Okay? Okay, with this we are going to wrap up our term 1. Okay, we are finishing term 1 with these set of cards, and we will be going to new set of cards. When we get back to school, we are definitely going to see all this again. It's not like we've seen and we are finished. We are going to see this every day. Okay, you are not going to go anywhere without seeing. I'll make sure that every day we are going through all the letters that we have learned. Okay children, see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye.